Are you dreaming of launching a successful dating app but dreading the complex development process? Building a robust and scalable platform from scratch is incredibly time-consuming and expensive. Imagine a solution that lets you skip months of coding and significant costs, focusing purely on your vision. Introducing Ditto, the ultimate React Native Expo dating mobile app template. Ditto offers a powerful, pre-built foundation designed to bring your dating app idea to life faster and smarter. Launch your modern, feature-rich platform with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Ditto boasts a stunning pixel-perfect UI, ensuring an engaging and intuitive user experience. Built with React Native and Expo, your app will seamlessly perform across both iOS and Android devices. Utilize an advanced matching system featuring the familiar and addictive swipe left or right functionality. Engage your users with real-time chat, powered by robust Firebase Firestore technology. Integrated location-based discovery helps users easily find potential matches nearby, fostering genuine connections. Comprehensive profile management allows users to effortlessly customize their profiles, add photos, and share their stories. Ditto supports secure user authentication through multiple methods, including phone, email, and Google sign-in. Keep your users constantly engaged with intelligent push notifications for new matches, messages, and profile views. A powerful admin panel gives you complete control to manage users, monitor activity, and oversee all your app's data efficiently. Monetization is built in with support for premium features like super likes, profile boosts, and other in-app purchases. Benefit from clean, well-structured code and extensive documentation, making customization and future updates straightforward. Ditto's modern architecture using Redux Toolkit and React Navigation ensures a scalable and future-proof foundation. This template empowers you to focus on growth and innovation rather than getting bogged down in initial development hurdles. Stop reinventing the wheel and start building your dating app empire today with Ditto. It offers everything you need to succeed in the competitive and dynamic dating app market. Transform your concept into a thriving reality by leveraging this comprehensive and cutting-edge solution. Discover more and get started by finding the link to Ditto React Native Expo dating app template in the description below.